Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So like I was saying in my previous videos that I was gonna get a move on to get this brake kit put together. I came to where I work today to use a sandblast to clean everything up. As you can see, everything looks brand new. I'm gonna get the paint for the calipers. I'm just wondering what color I should do this. I ordered black paint for the hubs and the knuckles, and I was probably gonna just do black for the carriers, but the calipers, I'm wondering which paint color to use. These came off of a 98 GTI VR6 driver's edition, so it's the 288 millimeter discs. It's single piston. Still pretty big though. I won't complain with that. I'm gonna have to replace my master cylinder, get a bigger one, probably gonna go for a 23 millimeter. But this is where we're at so far. I'm just waiting for my paint to come in. I'm gonna paint everything up, clean everything nice, and then I'm gonna try assembling it. The thing is that this is 5x100. I'm 4x100, so I'm gonna have to get myself some Steelies in the meantime. I contacted one of my friends that has a tire garage. I asked him to hook me up with a set, even if it's just for the front. It won't really matter because I'm still gonna have to get the rears done. So as long as the front is done, I'm okay with it. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'll get back to you once I get my paint, and we'll take it from there. I also cleaned all the hardware. It's all nice and clean now. And for all my hardware, I use dry graphite. It's very good. Keeps a nice layer of protective film on it. It's like a grease. Just gonna make one dry. I'm gonna show you. Alright, as you guys can see, I basically just put one layer on it. You can't even tell, but it will protect it from the rust. It will protect it from rust, dirt, and it also lubrifies it. So I'm gonna be doing all my hardware with this. Keep it nice and clean, protected. New brake lines came in. As you can see, these are all old, very old, from 98, the original ones. And the guy who I bought the brake kit off of actually just cut them through because pretty sure he had problems because they were seized. So I'm going to be replacing these, and I'm going to be painting the calipers and everything. I got my primer, so I'm going to start on that. Okay guys, I painted everything up. It looks good. The only thing is I'm going to have to probably change the bearing on this hub because it's making a little bit of noise, and I'm not down to have to take it back out to change it. So I'm gonna get the bearing, I'm gonna replace it, and then I'm gonna head back home, mantle everything up, and see if I could put it on the car today. So I just replaced the bearing on this one here. Cost me maybe like 30 bucks for everything, the snap rings with the bearing kit. So I'm just doing a fast coat of paint. I have my fan on, so it's gonna drive faster, but I did one side already. Everything's on. I'm just gonna do this one here. I put brand new hoses. That's it. So I'm just waiting for this one here to dry. I'm probably gonna give it another 2-3 coats of paint, and then we're good. Then I head back home, and we'll see if we could get these installed one of these days. I'm probably going to be getting the rear caliper, spindles, discs and pads this week off of a friend of mine from Facebook. He's going to be selling me the kit for 150 bucks. So I'll probably go pick them up. The only thing is he's a good 45, maybe an hour away from me. So I'm gonna have to see when he's available, when I'm available, and we're gonna take it from there. Because he told me they're from a Mk2 Jetta as well. So at least I'm gonna be 5x100 at all four corners, and I'm gonna have big brakes in the front and decent sized brakes in the back as well. The only thing is that the Mk2s are not made out of aluminum; they're made out of metal, so they'll probably end up seizing. So I'm probably gonna end up getting Mk4 calipers in the back, seeing that they're made out of aluminum.